whiting.
That's a big old whiting.
That's weird.
Welcome to America's greatest ocean, the Gulf Coast.
Frankie's still looking for the fish. You missed quite the event. My other pole, the reel was kind of snapped. I tried to fix it as soon as I caught a fish. Hello. As soon as I caught a fish, the reel what is going on? As soon as I caught a fish, the reel snapped. I tried back in and lost the fish. But then my other pole had a fish on. I was able to reel that one in. It was a whiting, not too big, not too small. But Frankie's out there still looking for it. How is it not sturdy? The wind is barely blowing. Look how excited Frankie girl gets with this. She goes and tries to find it. There have been a couple times she's been able to recapture it. It's gotta be a fish, right? Mikey! They're out there. They're out there. All those guys I watch on YouTube from Florida who are surf fishing, they cast right from the shore. And I thought at first this was I was such a bad caster. I am not a good caster. But because I'm new to this game. But then I realized, like, the people on YouTube, those Florida boys, they're only flipping it out there maybe 20 yards. If I flipped it out 20 yards from here, landing right in the freaking, with all the sand fleas. So I gotta go out there a little bit to get to those banks. So you gotta get wet. I don't know if I'm wrong here, because literally I'm self-taught. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I feel like surf fishing in Texas, you're gonna have to get wet. Oh yeah, fish on. Ah! Frankie, Frankie, come here. Oh, I do have a fish. Leave it. Ah! Dude, it's hard to tell. Why am I struggling so bad? But I can tell if I actually have a fish on or not, but can't be too mad about that. Another whiting. If I get a big size whiting, I'll keep it. It sounds good. Whiting is delicious, but not quite big enough for you, boy. Frankie can be amped up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She loves fish. She loves the ocean. This is her favorite spot in the world. Is this your favorite spot in the world? Okay, okay, okay. Ah, man. Sucks my other reel broke. I could be fishing at my other pool as well. But at least I got another one. The head shakes. I mean, come on. The last 2 times I've done that, there's actually have been fish. Frankie, come here. Frankie. I do have a fish. Frankie. Frankie always loves to try and get hooked up. The event. No whiting. Let's go. Another one. I guess that's the problem, is when they're this small and I have a heavy weight on, it's hard to tell. Stay. Hey, sit. Okay. Getting rowdy. Second one to hook up, or waiting for a bigger one? I actually don't have an idea if I even have a fish on. Drag. How we doing? You doing good?
Hey, how about yourself? You got something already?
Just some white. Okay, you found a friend? You found a friend. You're okay. Look at this monster here, this croaker. I'm a little nervous. This could be too much weight for my rod and reel. Let's throw her on. Was munching on it. Look how close I got to the hook. The hook was really right there. Oh man, it makes me think maybe I should keep the hook there. I don't know. Oh, we're close.
I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
That's something, I think.
Yeah?
Oh, I might have lost it.
Gave up?
Unless he's running.
Still on?
I don't think so. Sometimes I'm double hooked.
Right.
So it feels bigger than one hook
Right.
gets off.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a nice whiting.
That's a big old white.
That's real nice, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So how far are you casting? Right into the next waves, right?
I'm getting out even a little further, I think.
Really? Because I'm casting right before them, you know, in a gut there, you know.
Right where it's hidden?
Yeah.
I'm getting right after that.
After that?
Right after it, yeah.
Okay. It's good to know. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
9 more like that. You had a nice day, man.
How big you think? How many inches you think that is?
Oh, that's at least 11. That's yeah, that's 11, right? 12, yeah. It's big one. So,
Spot on.
I did that for 45 years, man.
You did that exactly.
Yeah, I did. I said I was a doctor for 25 years, man. I can't figure that one out.
That's right.
I didn't know the damn thing in 25 years. That's a nice one.
Yeah, I'm
Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Oh yeah. That's a great one, man.
Yes, Frankie, we got one. She loves it.
I might go back in and maybe throw out that far, you know.
Yeah, I had to wait out a little further than I like.
Yeah.
But I like to take her swimming. So
Oh yeah, she loves it.
She loves it. So.
Oh, she's a great puppy, man. Black Labs, is that what you mean?
Black Lab, yeah.
Nice.
Come on, baby, come on.
Go in. Boom. Double hooked, that's why I felt so strong. I locked the bottom. Reel is always so strong, like I got something big. I wonder if just because my weight is dug into the sand. I had a lot of drag on it. It doesn't feel that big right now, or I just feel like I really have anything on it. Frankie, Frankie, come. I got something. Frankie, come. Frankie. Might have been double.
On the long one, the first one, I went out there to threw it out. And it's not that one.
Yeah, not bad.
That's definitely a keeper. Oh, yeah.
Huh? What do you think?
Oh, yeah, absolutely a keeper.
What's your guess and measurement?
Oh, this one
last time.
This one is right at 11.
Right at 11?
11 and a quarter.
Alright. I'm gonna check, I'll be right back. Alright.
You gotta give me half inch either way, okay?
10 and a half.
10 and a half? Oh, I was way off, man.
No, that's close enough. Yeah, what kind of rig do you
That's
use?
a keeper. Just a double drop. Yeah. This is the old one.
A T9?
Yeah, it's very simple. I gotta have somebody stand and say, okay, now do this, stop.
Yeah.
Do this, stop.
The first time I did it, I had to do a wife and I go, can you help my brain or something? Now this is the only way I know how to do it.
Oh, it's nothing visible to you, you know. I mean, it's,
Right.
you know.
Yeah, that's a nice taco right there.
Oh, absolutely. Oh, hell yeah.
This feels just like the Mediterranean, doesn't it?
Not hardly, man. Nowhere near. If I showed you pictures from Hong Kong, you won't believe it. I mean, it's like comes right down to the water. Literally.
That's your bait.
Opening is difficult and the fish will do it. There's no somebody. Oh, you Mediterranean? That's
Way back out there.
yeah, man. Good luck, you know.
Thanks.
I'm looking for a pond.
That's it for me. I'm packing up. I'll see you out there.